Hey, this is Mike Rendon with Rendon Remodeling and Design, and we are very excited to show you this project. This is a great project in Vienna, Virginia, that we did a whole house renovation from top to bottom in the full exterior. I'm standing here in the front foyer, and the first thing, one of the main things that we did was completely transform this staircase in the front here. There was a wall right here, and we actually took down the wall to open up the staircase to the basement. And we've got this nice new sleek railing and nice new white oak hardwood staircase that goes up. And this was a complete transformation of the front foyer and a great way to create a beautiful entrance as you come into the house. I'm here in the family room, and we did a complete remodel of this space as well. So you can see all of the flooring was updated to a wide plank white oak flooring, so it's a nice beautiful floor. And then we redid the whole fireplace surround as well, give it a nice fresh look. And then we also replaced all of the windows and doors in the house with Marvin windows and doors. So it's a black framed window, so it really gives it a nice look to the room. It really showcases the family room space here. I'm in the dining room space here, so as you walk into the house, it's open to this dining room. We redid all of the flooring with white oak hardwood flooring, and we did some new trim work and replaced all the windows as well with the beautiful black frames. This is just a nice overhaul of this space, and it kind of transitions into the other rooms as well. We're very excited here to show you the kitchen. This was a beautiful transformation. We made a big change in the kitchen here. So what we did is we actually opened the kitchen up. There was actually a second staircase that went up stairs right here, which they didn't need. So what we did is we actually took away that staircase and we added a laundry room upstairs and utilized this space to make it much more friendly for the kitchen design. We actually did a beautiful walk-in pantry right here. So this gave us this extra space to create a nice size walk-in pantry, which is great to have right next to your kitchen. And in the kitchen space itself, we've got a beautiful set of large pantry style cabinetry for good storage here. And then you can see we've got a nice open kitchen with a very large island. So on the countertops here, we've got soapstone countertops. We've got some nice cabinetry, and then also we've got a Carrara marble backsplash as well. And you'll notice that we've also changed all the windows and doors with the black frames. So we have a lot of nice features in this kitchen. It's got this beautiful GE monogram range here with a nice custom hood that we did. So this is a nice feature in the kitchen, gives it a nice look. We have the Carrara marble backsplash with the little ledge here, which is nice just for stuff that you can put up there as you're cooking. Got the triple window unit in front of the sink here. And we did a lot of cabinet paneled appliances. So this is actually the dishwasher that looks like a cabinet, of course. This is actually the trash can cabinet. So you got the trash can cabinet, the dishwasher, and then we've also got the nice large refrigerator and freezer with cabinet panels. So it looks like a nice big cabinet, but it is the fridge and freezer. And so that is a nice way to give your kitchen a nice look, nice design, make it all look seamless and come together. So we've got a great big island in the kitchen. So having a great island in the kitchen is really important. For most homeowners, it seems like this is where everybody gathers as you have people coming over. Here we've got some cabinetry, we've got some open shelving, which the customer loved because it's just easy access for her pots and pans and stuff. We've got the soapstone countertop here, and then we've got enough seating for 5 people here, so you can see it kind of wraps around. We've got an overhang for seating. And like I said, this is a great place for people to hang out while you're cooking and just enjoy everybody's company during gatherings. And then in this space over here, this is the coffee bar. And so this is really an accent piece here. We've got the nice wood tone cabinets with the green up here. And this is a great place for the coffee bar and just a separate space off of the kitchen to get your morning coffee. We also created a new mudroom entry into the home, and if you have kids, you know that a mudroom is a great place to have as you come in from the outside. It's a great place to store things, to have the tile floor if in case it's wet outside. So in here we did these nice beautiful custom built-in mudroom storage cubbies. So it's got the bench and it's got the hanging and it's got the cubbies above, so everyone can kind of have space for their stuff. This was actually a window here. We converted it to a door, so there's another entry from the outside, from the front of the house, into the mudroom space. So it's a great space to have as you enter the home. This is a great design detail right here with the archway. You can see we added the archway for the mudroom entry, and then we also added the matching archway on the other side to the walk-in pantry. And it was a great design detail for the kitchen space here. So we completely redesigned the primary bedroom. So we modified the doors. It was like a double door system here. We converted it to a single, and we put these custom built-in bookcases on each side, which is a really nice design detail in the primary bedroom here. We redid all of the flooring with oak wide plank flooring, and we changed out all the windows, so you got the nice black frame Marvin windows. And if you follow me through here, we created a little hallway here, and we've got kind of a his and hers walk-in closet on each side as it leads you into the new primary bathroom that we redesigned as well. We're here in the primary bathroom, and we did a complete redesign of this bathroom. So you'll notice as you walk in, there was a much larger corner tub here. We actually converted this into a nice drop-in tub with a nice surround and everything. We've got a his and her sink on each side, so separate sinks. The vanity cabinets, we used a nice wood stained cabinet with a soapstone countertop. So that was a nice feature in the bathroom here with the nice beautiful tile that we have here. We created a very large shower right here. So you can see we've got a nice frameless clear glass enclosure. And in the shower here, we've got some beautiful tile work here with a nice little tile ledge, a bench as well. And this is a nice spacious shower with the fixed shower head and the handheld shower head as well. And then also in the bathroom, we created a recovery room with a cold plunge tub and a sauna. So this is just a nice extra room off of the bathroom to help the joints and help recovery, you know, if you're sore. So come on in here. You'll notice we got this cool cold plunge tub. So that's a nice feature to have off the bathroom. And then over here, we've got the sauna space as well, which is nice to utilize in the bathroom here. We also remodeled all of the other bathrooms on the upper level. There was 3 other bathrooms. Each bedroom actually has its own bathroom, and we upgraded and remodeled all 3 of those bathrooms as well. So we did a complete transformation of the upper level here. We're here in the laundry room, and this was a nice space that we added in the upstairs. This was where we actually enclosed the staircase below by the kitchen. So we enclosed the staircase, so it gave us some more space on the upper level, and we created this nice walk-in laundry room. So we got the washer and dryer. We've got a nice set of cabinets and countertop with an extra laundry sink. So this is really nice space for a full laundry room, and it was just a nice feature to add on the upper level of the house here. We're here in the basement now, and we did a complete refresh of the basement. Pretty much all new hardwood flooring throughout. We also added a nice gym space that was actually an unfinished storage room, and so we put in these nice kind of custom glass doors into the gym space. And so when you walk into the gym, we got the nice rubber gym flooring in here. We got a nice full gym for the customer to use. And then as we walk through here, we have a full bathroom that we remodeled. So you can take a look here, basement bathroom. So we did a nice tile work. It's got a nice decorative floor tile, and then a beautiful accent tile on the walls, beautiful furniture style vanity cabinet. Pretty much just a full remodel of this bathroom in the basement and a refresh of the whole basement space. Also in the basement, we redid the stairs. So we put in a nice stair rail system and redid the whole staircase itself. So it's this nice, sleek, contemporary style stair railing with a nice white oak hardwood steps. This just kind of gave it a nice new look coming down into the basement to the nice white oak flooring here, and everything looks seamless and beautiful. Now we're in the screen porch, which is right off of the kitchen space. And so this is a nice outdoor feature that we built. So we built this screen porch to give them a space to enjoy outside while also having it screened and protected. We utilized PVC TimberTech decking in here, and then we also created a brick wood burning fireplace, which is also a nice feature to have in the porch as well. And then we added 3 skylights to bring in some natural light. We put in some nice shiplap paneling on the ceiling, and then also some shiplap paneling as well on the walls here. And so this is just a nice feature to enjoy the outdoors off of their kitchen space here. We're very excited here to show you the exterior of this home that we completed. We did a full transformation of the exterior. We actually painted the brick. We changed all of the windows to a Marvin window with a black exterior. We changed the whole front entry here. We changed it to a double doors. We modified the windows. We created a covered entry to the front with a copper roof here. And so this was a complete overhaul. All of the landscaping was done as well. Made a very big difference to the front of the house. And this is a great way to improve the curb appeal of the front of your home. We're on the side of the house here, and we've replaced the garage door, all of the siding. As I mentioned, all of the windows and doors as well. And we put in this nice TimberTech deck, which is right off of the screen porch, which has the nice brick wood-burning fireplace there. And so this was part of the exterior transformation. If you're interested in this content and you want to see more projects like this, please follow us. Click the link if you want to get more information, or if you have a project in mind just like this.